What is happening, fishers, and welcome to a beautiful Friday afternoon. We are down at Cefani. The seawater is a beautiful 22 degrees plus and looking the most delightful color of turquoise blue you can imagine, but the surf is on its head. So we are kitted out with some nice fresh shad, or one nice fresh shad that yours truly caught last night. The rest fell off the hook. And we are gonna go target a grey shark, hopefully. Sorry guys, I'm dropping my rods here. It's kind of a bit of hard work. Packed to the brim. And we are off again. So it's...
Hello fishers, I'm here.
How's it, chaps?
And there's Luke. So we are off, guys. We have a beautiful sunset behind us. I'm sure you'll get a little snippet of that just now. So let's head down there, look for some good water. We'll check all in with you soon. I'm going to love and leave you there because my left arm is going into cramp. Cheers. On, boys. That's not big. Anyway, guys, been very slow. Luke's just got a nice little pull. And we are on. Not a big fish whatsoever, though. Nothing major whatsoever, but anyway, better than nothing. It's been very slow. The surf has started dying down a bit, and we've got a fishers. Nothing to write home about, but better than no fishers, I suppose. Some sort of little, probably a cat shark or something. No runs, so I don't think it's one of the hound sharks. They normally like to have a little bit of a run. Feels like a few spark packets. Anyway, it's a beautiful evening out. The water is nice and warm. Okay. Just give him a little bit of drag here because that's quite a lot of drag I had him on. And he's decided to take some line. The water is very warm, guys, so like we're at 22 degrees plus, so we're not going to, fish aren't going to fight to their fullest. So he's decided to wake up in the shore break here a bit. I was walking back from Luke because Luke had a bit of a pull, and then I heard my ratchet going. The drag coming off the reel. Anyway, can't see a thing. Gotta love fighting a fish and filming. The best part is you get a nice bright light in your eyes and you can't put your headlight on. But anyway, guys, could be worse, eh? We got the fish wrangler himself. Luke is the heavyweight fish wrangler of the world. If it's got teeth, you're going to see him run the other way. Feel a bit stubborn in front here. Being very, very stubborn in the shore break. There he is. Smooth hound. I think, can't really see from here. There's a big wave, we'll pull him in here now. Gonna wash right past Luke. What's happening, fisho? So the warm water, beautiful spotted gully to start the evening. Caught some little bonita head and bonita fillet. Anyway, let's get this little bad boy back in the water. Seems to be the sharky week for me, but anyway, we'll see you all soon. Cheers. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to get swim me straight in. What is happening, fishers? And we are on. Don't know what it is, nothing big. Oops, coming straight in. About the third take I've had now. I'd like to see what this actually is. These are biting super sneaky. Tiny. Probably a blacktail. One of Nick's favorite fish. That could be a small cob. Small cob, yes. There we go, boys. Nice little cob. That's what's biting. What did I say earlier? Yes, I was right. Anyway, guys, it's probably just size. Anyway, let's get him back in the water. Cheers. What is cracking, fisher? So that's a Friday's evening fishing to the end. Nothing spectacular. A young spotted gully and a nice little cob to end the evening. Anyway, guys, we're going to head back soon. Head back home. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Follow Traceable Fishing on YouTube. Check our Facebook page out. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you all soon. Cheers.